and memorable day for us because graduation seldom comes in our lives. We value this day so much, also to some. They may just ignore it because this is but an ordinary day for them. But can we pursue higher education without undergoing elementary? No, my dear friends, because graduation affirms that we are competent in all the skills and competences required the elementary level, and this is one of the greatest achievements, isn't it? And aside from a very crucial and challenging task we have encountered in school, we still consider it very meaningful one. May we join our hands to thank God for this great and memorable day for us. Then, may we recall the past years. If I remember right, I came to school an empty shell, not knowing the A, B, C, or the 1, 2, 3 yet. For this great favor, may I take this opportunity to thank you, Ma'am and Sir, for the wonderful endeavor you expended upon us, and in return, we promise to carry it on in pursuing higher education, if not all throughout our lives. To my mama na nasa abroad, nagsasakripisyo para ako ay masuportahan sa pag-aaral. Kahit malayo ay nagtitiis, mabigyan lamang ako ng magandang kinabukasan. Ma, kahit ikay malayo at hindi ko nasisilayan ang ngiti ng iyong mukha, marinig ang boses tuwing umaga at ang init ng iyong mga yakap at halik. Ma, ako'y nagsusumikap. Masuklian lamang ang iyong mga sakripisyo. Kahit mag-isa mo akong binubuhay sa mahigit 12 taon. Maraming salamat, Ma. To my grandparents, mamanghiling ang kapalatan, I will forever be thankful to you. Thanks for loving me and taking good care of us. Christian and me, since Mama is not here. To our dear school, we are grateful for the comfortable dwelling you have shared with us. We promise to be ever loyal to you. And foremost, thank you to the Lord up above for giving this wonderful life, good health, and wisdom have contributed to life's success. Last, but not the least, allow me to express the simple words of challenge. To our younger brothers and sisters in this school, please study hard so that you will also reach this kind of happiness. Please bear in mind that our parents and teachers are extending much effort in molding us just to fulfill our dreams in life, to be a worthy individual. For all we know, this is not an easy job for them. Let us trim down our bad habits and attitudes. If not totally eliminate them, to become successful. Let us try to please by our teachers, following the right move towards the path of education. Ang bawat Pilipino ay matibay sa mga pagsubok sa buhay. Hindi basta-basta natitinag sa anumang unos. Positibong humaharap sa bawat bukas. Dahil hindi natitinag ang pusong Pilipino. Again, good day and good luck to everyone. Until we meet again, thank you and mabuhay to one and all.
Thank you, Hannah, for your grateful speech. Pledge of loyalty by the 11 graduates to be led by Class 2014 deserving graduate, Genesil Palmes,